Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to sell pet on Starpets. So if you want to sell pet on Starpets, here's a quick guide on how to do that. The first thing you have to do is access the Starpets website by just opening your browser and go to the Starpets, which is starpets.gg. So once you do that, create an account. So for you to be able to create an account, you have to sign up using your email or social media account. If you don't already have an account, just log in to your Starpets account. So after that, navigate to the inventory tab on the website, then click the icon and enter your Roblox username. Wait for your adopt main profile to load. Once you do that, follow the instructions to connect to the server. You might need to add a bot as a friend and receive the special code. After that, join the server, teleport to the bot home and send a trade request. Verify the code from the bot and transfer the pet to the bot. Now, once the pet is transferred, list for the sale by specifying the price and completing the sale process. After that, the pet is sold. The money will be credited to your balance on Starpets, and that is how you can simply sell pet on Starpets. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.